Just got out the shower. Washed my hair. I'm about 2 weeks out from the haircut. Getting a haircut tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in some citrus wave pomade, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'll just rinse my hair a little bit. Not even a whole lot.
Just get a quick rinse.
Quick rinse right here. I know it looks like I got a whole afro right now, but it's about 2 weeks worth of hair. It's okay that it's all everywhere. I'm gonna actually, I'm gonna put a little bit on my face.
What is this?
That's just a little bit of body butter. That just so I don't look so dry. Y'all looking at me. But yeah, so now this is actually fresh out the pack.
What's fresh out the pack? What's this?
This is the Black Lavish Citrus Wave Pomade.
Okay.
So this is how I'm gonna get nice and wavy real quick. Just bust that open. Alright, can't get the plastic off. There we go. This is the wave pomade fresh out the jar.
What scent is this?
It's the citrus.
Citrus, okay.
So you just take a little bit in your hand. You can just really massage it all the way through. It's nice and strong. I like to just get it everywhere, get it all the way around. We'll brush it in later to get the wave pattern so it doesn't really hurt or anything. I know you always hear like, oh, don't brush your hair backwards and this and that, but you'll be fine, trust me. Paste a little bit. So yeah, just make sure you just get it all over. Just a little bit. I have a little more hair right now, so I'm using a little bit more, but it doesn't take a whole lot. And then you just brush.
Let's see some of the curl pattern. Well, I guess, yeah.
So I like to brush all the way around with the same hand. There's nothing wrong with switching hands, but just for like a uniform pattern, I'll take this off. I like to just try and go all the way around. You get used to muscle memory, so I go all the way around like one time, and then grab a mirror and kind of just do more of a guided brush. And you see like my hair's laying down already. So I like to get in the mirror, just make sure I'm hitting all the way around, kind of focusing on making my crown nice and center versus overlapping the waves. But you get it like that. Take a little bit over there. So since my hair was washed and it's nice and wet, my pores are open. My hair like really takes the oil in better, and that just really helps like lay down the hair versus just putting it on top. It's nice to get your whole head wet so you can really get down to the root when you're brushing. Now, if your hair does get thicker, this is a nice medium brush, soft brush.
I see the brush again.
It's a soft brush. It's nothing fancy, no special brand or anything.
Curved?
You can use the curved ones. This is just what I have in the bathroom.
Okay.
But the soft brush gets the job done. I do like when my hair gets thick to use a little tougher brush just to kind of get that all the way in, get the deeper wave.
Mm-hmm.
But I only do this when my hair is wet. I don't just brush with a hard brush on the regular. I feel like it pulls your hair too much. But yeah, it's about 2 weeks out from a cut, so I like to do this. I like to do this right before I'm about to get a cut. I'm getting cut on Saturday, so
Let's get the other side. Can you show us?
yeah, let me go all the way around. So I'll just switch hands, but this will be okay. Can you see that?
Yep.
All right. Now it's nice and laid down. Just do one more time for the sake of everything. Make sure I got all my angles. Really lock in the 360. Brushing it all the way. Yeah. Oh, I see him. I'll stay in there. And then finally, just tie the do-rag on. Let this sit maybe an hour or so till my hair dries, and I'll be good to go. Just
throw some BL on your beard too.
yeah, man. So now got the hair tied down. it all up. Sometimes I fix the band, sometimes I don't. I mean, it's really just a style. But the key when you put a do-rag on is to not tie it too tight, but you want to make sure that you pull the back so it secures the side of your. You want this part tight, the top and the side tight. So when you do put it on, pull it back a little bit. It's no big deal about just flattening these out and doing all that. That's just like a fancy look, but it's really about securing the tightness and sealing the waves in because you want it to like lock down when you get it all like set. But it's a little bit of that. It's the small jar. Kind of just whip that in like that.
Yeah, stand still. Let's look at it. Okay.
So you just did. So this is a brand new jar. I really only just dabbed a little bit off the top. Literally, you can just see where I grabbed it at. Not even a whole lot. So if you think about it, this will last a really good time. I'm thinking like 3-4 weeks. And you don't have to do this every day. Now this is on. Yeah, slap a little bit on the beard. I'm still growing the beard, but it's been helping too. Kind of just lay it down a little bit like that. Kind of just massage that in there. A little bit on there. Get that nice and moisturized. And now I even got a little comb I use. 2 combs. So I like to take this little metal comb and kind of just go all the way out with it.
Oh, we gotta upgrade you to a wood comb, man.
Wood comb, got the wood comb too. I just use this.
Oh, okay, I see.
It's nice and sharp. I mean, it's still going, but I see it.
What's this here? It's the wood comb?
And it's the wood comb. And it really just helps keep it nice soft without breaking the hairs and pulling. So the beard grows nice and even somewhat. But yeah, there you have it. A quick tutorial on how you can brush down the waves, use the wave pomade, and I'll wrap this in about an hour, and I'll keep y'all posted.